Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Look what we have for you today. This is the most popular vehicle Kia has ever made, the Kia Carnival. This is a 2024 LX Plus with just over 87,000 kilometers in fantastic condition. And if you're watching this video thinking, is this the car for me? After this video, you're gonna know it's the car for you. So please reach out to Clarington Kia ASAP because these do not last long. Now, what is underneath the hood of a Carnival is a 3.5 liter V6 engine connected to an 8-speed automatic transmission. It's got great power in it. It's got lots of get up and go, but it is still very, very good on fuel. As we slide over here to get a full side profile, this is an 8-passenger van that will comfortably fit 8 adults in here. No problem. You're going to see that when we get to the interior of the Carnival. But right now, let's do a little condition tour of the outside, starting with these great looking 17-inch alloy wheels. The tires on here look almost brand new as well. Now, there are a couple little minor things on the condition of the outside. However, not bad things. Look, so there's a little bit of minor stuff right here, but this is not into the paint. I can't catch my nail. A nice little polish on here that will almost disappear, if not completely disappear on there, okay? And that's the point of this video, is to show you the condition of the Carnival, such as, again, same thing right here. Just really minor, superficial, a little buff and polish that'll lighten right up and probably come right out. But we want to show you this stuff so that way, if you're at home thinking of buying this car, you know the condition of it and you're going to see the great features, and then you're going to go, you know what, this is the one for me. And don't wait, because these do not last very long. Back tailgate here is absolutely fantastic. I love the fact we've got this nice red rear tail light that comes all the way across the trunk lid here. The back bumper is in nice shape. There's no big gouges or anything out of the back bumper. All right, we've got rear sonar in the back as well as a nice rear view camera. And then the LX Plus features the power tailgate. This is the most popular model of Carnival that we sell because, again, it doesn't break the bank, but it's got all the right features on it. Now, this is probably half the reason why you're looking at the Carnival. Look at the cargo space with the third row seats up. We've got a full-size luggage back here, a full set of golf clubs with tons of room to spare. Now, these rear seats actually tumble back and fold in, which I'll show you. Oh, shoot, you know what? Well, I can kind of show you. There's the carpeted mats down here that come with it. I forgot. But look this. Check this out. So you unlatch here, and then they will fold down like this, and then they're almost nice and flat with the bottom of the floor. And I did that with one hand. And then you've got tons of room back here in case you only have 5 passengers and, I don't know, you're packing up your house to move. I mean, you probably could with this. It's incredible. But that is one of the reasons why you're buying this. Now, we've also got grocery hooks on the backs of the seats, which are great. And you can just see how much room we have back here. All right, we'll close this up. Continue around to the passenger side. Now, on the passenger side, I noticed 3 little door dents. So there's one here, very minor. There's another here, again, really minor, no damage to the paint. And one more right here. Now, those are free. We don't charge you for those door dents. Those are included. No, just all joking aside, if you want those removed, ask the sales team here how much it would cost to have our professional come and take those out. I don't think it's terribly expensive. Again, it's not going to affect the performance of this vehicle, but if it does bother you, those are things that can be removed. They're very inexpensive to do that. Now, have a look at the front headlights here. Those LED daytime running lights. Great looking front bumper. Doesn't really show any signs of wear. Almost no stone chips on here. I'm trying to find 1 or 2 just to show you. But no, it's super clean. Front hood is super clean as well. Now, one of the cool things is we do have a heated front windshield on the Carnival, so that is very handy in the cold weather and winter time. Another handy thing is the remote starter right there. And the LX Plus features the power sliding doors. That's both sides as well. Oh, you have to unlock it first. Oh, you know what? Sorry, the car's started. I forgot. When it's not started, the power doors will work from the key fob. Otherwise, you just pull the handle, it opens up. Silly me. Now, you may be asking, why didn't we just try to do this video again? It's a used car. We want to show you the condition and not hide anything, so we don't stop. We just keep going to show you this in its truest form. Now, have a look at this second row configuration. This is one of the things that makes the Carnival very popular. So each individual seat is on a slider. So you can see this middle seat here, which you can take right out to make like captain's chairs. But this middle seat here is on its own independent slider, so it can be slid back or forth, depending on how much legroom the third row passengers need. But because each seat is on a slider, it really gives you flexibility for the third row passengers to make sure that adults can fit in the third row. You'll see that these come with their own armrests. Again, you can take that middle seat out to make captain's chairs, or if you want to just slide in the back here, this seat tumbles forward and moves forward, and then look at all the legroom, right? And that's with this middle seat almost all the way back. So there's lots of legroom back here. You can see the third row seats are in fantastic condition. These second row seats as well are in great shape. This is a non-smoker vehicle. There's no rips, tears, stains, or burns in here at all. Now, the back passengers get their own independent temperature, so tri-zone climate control. There is vents in the roof for the heating and air conditioning. And why that's particularly important, because if you have kids in a rear-facing car seat, well, guess what? That vent, all these vents here would never help. The ones from the roof will get your little guy or little girl in the rear-facing car seat. One of those things that a mom pointed out to me, which is why she chose this vehicle, is because of the vents in the roof for their kid. We've got a 12-volt charger back here, a little bit of junk storage, some cup holders, and USB ports as well in both the seats to keep everybody all plugged in and charged up in the back. All right, we'll close up that door. And now here is the driver and passenger front seats, again in fantastic condition. The driver's seat on the LX Plus gets a power driver's seat with power lumbar support. All right, we'll hop in. I'm going to show you this passenger seat as well, just so you can see it is in great shape too. Now that we're here, it's really important that we talk about, obviously, some safety features. Safety features for the Carnival for 8 passengers, because let's face it, you want to make sure that the whole team is safe in here. So we have forward emergency braking with pedestrian and cyclist detection, lane follow assist, lane keeping assist. We have even high beam auto assist as well. Oh, one second, I'm just gonna, you have keys for me, brother? Got another vehicle lined up here. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you. Sorry about that. So we've got all the safety features for you and the family, keep them very safe with those advanced safety features here. We have a leather wrapped heated steering wheel, and we have heated front seats, again, only on the LX Plus or higher trims. We have our Bluetooth and radio controls. We have our cruise control on the other side here, and then having a look in the dash, 87,568 kilometers. Now, down by the driver's knee, we have our controls for our power sliding doors and the power tailgate. You can turn the power tailgate off. Some people will do that if maybe they're towing something, or they park in a garage that they don't want to accidentally open up that power tailgate. Maybe the kids push buttons and stuff and they've opened it, hit the garage, whatever. So you can turn the power tailgate off. Now, I'll give you a quick scan down the center console here, and then we'll talk about some great features. So in our infotainment display, we have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. So first and foremost, that's the most important thing to have in here, because you can connect your phone, get access to all your digital music, navigation, reply to text messages using your voice command, all that great stuff, which is what we prefer you to do, so you don't pick up your phone, obviously, and that's all through the phone projection. Should you choose to just listen to the standard radio when you're hopping in here, no problem, you can do that. HD radio as well on board. And then I want to show you one other thing here. So quiet mode. Quiet mode is a fantastic feature for a van. What that does is isolates any audio to just the front 2 speakers. All the speakers in the back will turn off, so that way mom and dad can listen to their music on a road trip while the kids are quiet and sleeping in the back seat. You don't have to go and adjust the fade and the balance and all that stuff. It'll do that automatically using quiet mode, which is a great feature to have. Now, when we put the Carnival in reverse, nice clear rear view camera so we don't go bumping into the golf clubs behind us. And then we have our tri-zone climate control here, so driver and passenger have independent temperatures, as well as the rear passengers. And you can lock out those rear controls. So maybe you have, 6 or 7 year olds that love to push buttons all the time. You can lock them out simply by just pushing this button here, and then you can control the rear temperature other than the kids. We have a wireless charging pad for your cell phone, plus a couple more USB ports here, so that way everybody stays nice and charged up. We've got our shifter, and then we have the electronic parking brake with auto hold. Auto hold is fantastic. Picture yourself on the 401 stop and go traffic. When you get to a complete stop, you can take your foot off of the brake. It will keep the Carnival in place and then release it when you push the gas pedal again. Just a nice little thing for driver fatigue. And then we have drive mode. Drive mode, basically eco, sport, smart, and normal. You'll see that up here in the dash. I'll just go through those. So normal, eco, sport, and smart. And those all will tune the transmission differently, so that way you get either maximum performance or maximum fuel economy out of the Carnival. And then here we have our heated seats, heated steering wheel, and heated seat controls. And then this turns on the rear view camera. If you're stationary and you want to have a look back there, you can turn it on just by pushing that button there. And then we have our push button start, of course, because we have a remote starter as well. Now have a look at the great looking materials in the Carnival. We have piano black. We've got this great textured aluminum finish, a soft touch dashboard. I mean, the condition of this Carnival is absolutely fantastic. And what matches the condition of the Carnival is these two things here. This is the Carfax for the Carnival. We have no accident history or damage records found, which is fantastic. More importantly, here is what Clarington Kia has done to get this vehicle ready for you, so that way you only have to do just regular maintenance. Everything will be up to spec for you. So they've done a front and rear brake service, cleaned them up, pulled them apart, lubricated them, put them back together. They machined the front rotors. 2 front control arm bushings were cracking. That's a wear and tear item, although it has been taken care of under warranty, which is fantastic. That's good news. We've done an oil change on the vehicle. We've replaced the air cabin filter, the engine air filter, the front wipers. We've done a 4-wheel alignment on it. All in all, we've spent $1,485 to make sure that this Carnival is absolutely fantastic for you and your family, and you'll only need just regular maintenance for the foreseeable future when you take this home. But folks, if you are looking for an 8-passenger people mover with tons of room to spare in the back, keep the kids comfortable, keep mom and dad, without going domestic disputes in the drive, this is a fantastic vehicle right here at Clarington Kia. You can visit this online at claringtonkia.ca or in store. We're just a short drive from pretty much anywhere in central Ontario, but please do act fast. These Carnivals do not last very long. So congratulations to whoever finds this beautiful unicorn here at Clarington Kia, and thanks for watching me. Look forward to seeing you soon.